What's up? This is an unboxing of my Glock 22 Generation 3. I'm going to show you what's in the box, I'll briefly go over the Gen 3 design, then I'll briefly discuss why the Model 22 is actually my favorite model. Let's get right into it. Let's open this up. So in the box you got a gun, spare mag, speed loader, cable lock. Definitely something to consider if you have kids or crazy people living in the house. This thing just kind of popped out of here. Cleaning rod time. Set that over here. Then you got your barrel cleaner, paperwork in here. Slide this back under here. You'll have to forgive the extremely awkward way I'm holding this. As you could probably tell, I'm standing at a really weird angle. It's a Glock 22 Generation 3. So just comparing it to a Gen 2 Glock, so as you can see with the Gen 2, a lot more simple. This Gen 3 really was like the biggest step forward from Glock. As you can see, this one has finger grooves, a thumb groove, and probably most importantly, a rail. So a huge improvement in terms of like practical use, home defense, XYZ. For me at least, this by far is the most comfortable handgun I've ever held. It just works. Feels tactical. I just love this. I actually think the Gen 3 is my favorite design. I like it more than the 4. I definitely do like it more than the 5, surprisingly. This just feels awesome. There's actually a lot to cover on specifically the Gen 3, but that's more of an in-depth video. I absolutely love this design. 100% by far, like to me at least, this is the most tactical feeling, most comfortable handgun I've ever held. It's just absolutely perfect. And that's just my opinion. So, why the Glock 22? Well, first off, why did I go with the full size? The most popular Glock model is the Glock 19, slightly smaller than this. Definitely do like the 17 better than the 19 just in terms of size. Like this size Glock fits my hand perfectly. And since it's full size, it has a little bit more muzzle velocity. It's chambered in 40 cal. Obviously there's nothing wrong with 9mm, but 40 is just a bit more power. I do like that, especially in a full size pistol. Apparently there's an argument which is better between the 9mm and the 40, but this gun actually solves that. One of the coolest features of it is you can actually replace the barrel. If for whatever reason you don't like the 40, quick 20-second barrel replacement, and you're shooting 9mm through this. Or you could do another barrel replacement, and you're running 357 SIG. 3 calibers, all through one gun. If you're a fan of firearms content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting a more in-depth review in the near future.